like to use this projector to project some things in my classroom. What are the materials that I need?
What kind of content are you going to show?
The content I would like to show is the PowerPoint slide in this thumb drive.
Okay, let me just load that up first. So is this your file?
Yes, it is.
Okay, cool. The way it works is basically now, if you can notice, like I have this projector set up that's plugged into this laptop. Have you ever used multiple monitors before?
When I was P5, I was an ICT leader.
Yeah.
So I have some experience with ICT equipment.
Okay, cool. So what happens is basically this laptop, it treats the projector as another display, as another monitor.
Okay.
So what's going to happen is we're using this laptop to play back your PowerPoint, and then through the projector it gets projected onto that box over there. The thing that I do for work is this thing called projection mapping, and you need specialized software just so that you can distort your content to fit any kind of surface. So the cool thing about projection mapping is literally any surface, whether it's a table, a box, or even your shirt, it can be used as a screen.
Ooh.
Yeah. So I already made like a test using this piece of footage that I found online that's free.
Wow.
Yeah.
It looks so clear also when it's in a corner and a box.
Yeah. So what happens is basically in the same way that you would focus a camera, you also need to focus the projector. So this particular projector is actually the kind that you maybe would use to watch home movies, but you wanted like huge image on your wall. This would typically be something you could use, but as a test, I'm using it in a different context. I use a tool that allows me to draw a mask. So if you notice here, like the mask is of an odd shape.
Yes.
The only reason for that is because it needs to fit the corners of the box.
Oh.
Okay, why not you help me? If you notice over there on the left side, there's a whole gap between the content and the bottom of the box. Okay. So what you could do is, okay, why not you try moving this point in the corner and try to match it to that corner of the box. So it can get a bit iffy when you try to use the mouse, but when you want to do things that are more fine-tuned, you can use the keypad. What you got to do first is just select that point again. Okay, then use the keypad to maneuver. So it's like playing a game. You're creating, in a sense, a cookie cutter that cuts out your content in a way that makes sense once it gets projected onto your object. So it can take a bit of time. You got to really pay attention and then to where each edge fits